Hello students, good morning to all. So today we'll continue the remaining question of self practice 2a. So in the last class we have solved till question number 14. Now today we will do question number 15. Now see the 15a. 6 1 by 5. 6 1 by 5 minus 4 3 by 10 minus 1 1 by 2. 6 1 by 5 minus 4 3 by 10 minus 1 1 by 2. We have to simplify this. Okay, first we will solve this bracket. Afterwards then we will do it. Or also we can remove this bracket. So first we remove this bracket. How this bracket will be removed? When we multiply this minus sign with each term of this bracket. When we multiply this minus means minus 1 it is. Minus can be treated as minus 1. So when we multiply this minus 1 to the 4 3 by 10 and to this number also minus 1 1 by 2, then the bracket will be removed. So see 6 1 by 5. When you multiply this minus, this is the positive number, so minus plus gives you minus, so minus 4 3 by 10, like this it will become. Similarly when you multiply this minus to this minus, minus minus gives you plus 1 1 by 2. Okay, now you have to write this as a mix. In one bracket we write the mixed number 6 minus 4 plus 1. See, this is mixed number 6 here, this is the mixed number minus 4, this is the mixed number here plus 1. Now in another bracket write plus, in another bracket we write the fractions only. 1 by 5 and this fraction is negative. Mixed number is negative, so fraction would also be the negative. So minus 3 by 10. Next fraction 1 by 2. Like this also we can do. Okay. Now see. 6 plus 1 gives you 7. 7 minus 4 gives you 3 answer. 3 plus. Now in this bracket see what will get going to get the LCM. LCM of 5, 10 and 2 will get the LCM 10 only. 10. So what you multiply in 5 to get 10? 2. So multiply 2 to the numerator also. What you multiply in 10 to get 10? 1 only. So multiply 1 to the numerator also. What you multiply in 2 get 5? In 2 to get 10. 5 to 5 are 10. So multiply 5 to the numerator also. Like this we got. Now see 3 plus. So what you are going to get the result? 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 plus 1 5 are 5 upon 10. See here what you got the result? 1 to the 2 minus 3, 3 1 are 3, 1 5 are 5. Now here what you get? 5 plus 2 7 minus 3 4. So the answer will be 3 plus 4 by 10. What we got? 5 plus 2 7 minus 3 4. Now here 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So what we got? 3 plus 2 by 5. Now 3 plus 2 by 5 we can write in the mixed fraction form 3 2 by 5. How we write? 3 2 by 5. Okay, let me check the answer 15a. We got the correct answer or not? Yes, 15a 3 2 by 5, correct. We got the correct answer. Now we move to the next question. Question number 16. Question number 16. In a mushroom, question number 16. If in a mushroom 19 by 20 portion is water, so what fraction of it is solid matter? So fraction of fraction of water in a mushroom. Fraction of water in a mushroom. What we write? Fraction of water given in the question. If in a mushroom 19 by 20 part is water, so fraction of water in a mushroom. So fraction of water in a mushroom is given 19 by 20. What fraction given? In 20 part 19 part is water. So what fraction of it is solid matter? So full whole is called 1. A mushroom is represented by a whole number, that is called 1. So let the total part be, total whole is represented by 1. So the fraction of solid, therefore what you write, therefore fraction of a solid matter, fraction of solid matter in mushroom. So fraction of solid matter in a mushroom is what? From the whole. So here denominator represent the fraction. Denominator of a fraction represent the total part of the whole. How many parts are there? 20 parts. So that we write 1. That is 20 by 20. So total part is 20. So what we write? 20 by 20, that is the 1. 20 by 20 means the total part of a mushroom is done. How many parts? Equal parts, 20 parts. So that is 20 by 20 means 1. So 20 by 20 minus 19 by 20. So out of total 20 parts, 19 part is water and 1 part is what? Solid matter. So the fraction of the solid matter will be what? Take the denominator common. 20 and 20 minus 19 gives you answer 1 by 20. Directly also you can understand here that the total part of a mushroom is done. Total part of the mushroom is 20. Now out of 20 part, that you can understand by weight also. Suppose the total weight of a mushroom is 20 gram and out of 20 gram 19 gram is water. Fraction of water in a mushroom is what? 19. Suppose the weight of total mushroom is 20 gram and if you make it equal 20 parts, that is each part weight is 1 gram. So out of that 20 gram 19 gram is water. And the remaining 1 gram out of 20 gram 19 gram is water and 1 gram is the solid matter, which is the mushroom. Okay, like this we have to do. So that's why I written here 20 by 20. On this place I can write 1 also. On this place we can also write like that, 1 minus 19 by 20. So when you take the LCM, 1 is the whole. Whole is represented by 1. WHOLE whole. WHOLE whole. Whole is represented by 1. 1 is called the whole. So when you take the LCM, 20 ones are 20 minus 19 by 20. Then also you will get the 1 by 20. So this 20 can be cancelled also. 20 ones are 20, 20 ones are 20. So when the numerator and denominator are same, then its value is what? 1. Okay. So that's why written here 20 by 20. Now we move to the next question. Question number 17. So during a campaign, an army loses 1 by 10 of its member. During a campaign, an army loses 1 by 10 of its member in a battle. Fraction of, so what we write, fraction of lost army. Fraction of lost army in a battle. So fraction of lost army in a battle equals to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 of its total member in a battle. Of its members in a battle. And 1 by 5. Now again fraction of lost army in sickness. In fraction of lost army by sickness, by becoming ill. How many armies lost their life? How many armies lost their life by sickness? That is given 1 by 5 of the total army. 1 by 5 of the total army. What a fraction survives means fraction of left army. Now fraction, therefore fraction of left army. Left Now fraction of left army equals to total army. Let the total army be a 1. So whole army is represented by 1. Let the total army be 1. Now from 1 we subtract the lost army's number. So what is lost? 1 by 10 is lost in battle, plus 1 by 5 is lost due to sickness, by sickness. So we subtract these numbers which are lost their life in battle and which armies lost their life due to sickness. That number we subtract from whole 1 and we'll get the answer. Now see, 1 minus, if you take the LCM here, so what you get? 10. LCM of 10 and 5 will be 10. So 10 1 is 10, 1, and 5 2s are 10. So 1 multiply 2. So what you get answer? 1 minus 1 plus 2 1 is 2, that is 3 by 10. Now here what we do? 10 1 is 10 minus 3. 10 1 is 10 minus 3 by 10, that is 7 by 10. So what is the fraction of the left army after who are surviving? That is 7 by 10, correct? Okay, 7 by 10. Okay, now I will explain you the last question number 18. And after this exercise, self practice 2A will be completed. So in question number 18, see what is there. In a certain magazine, 11 by 27 consists of the advertisements and 1 by 3 of the illustrations. What fraction is the readable matter? So again, fraction of advertisement, what you write? Fraction of advertisement advertisements equals to 11 by 27. Now fraction of illustrations equals to how much part? 1 by 3. Now the fractions of readable matter. So we subtract. Therefore, fraction of readable matter equals to readable matter. Here, what is the meaning of this? Advertisements means on a page, some advertisement is given. Out of the 27 parts of the whole page, suppose this whiteboard is a page, I have made it equal to 27 parts, and out of that 11 parts I have written the advertisement, and in one part out of 3, suppose the whole I made 3 equal parts of this board, and now out of this one part I have written the illustration. Some image is there, some pictures are there. So what is the readable matter? Readable matter will be what? Subtract from one whole. I have taken 1 minus 11 by 27 plus 1 by 3. So all these things we subtract from the whole. Okay. So what is the LCM of 27 and 3? That is the 27. So 1 minus LCM is 27. So that is the 11. In 27, what we multiply to get 27? 1 only. Plus 3 9 is 27. That is 1 into 9. So what we will get the answer? 1 minus 11 plus 9 by 27. That is 1 minus 11 plus 9, that is 20 by 27. Now 27 minus 20 by 7. That is 27 minus 20 gives you what? 7. 7 by 27. So what do you get the answer? 7 by 27 part is the readable matter. 7 by 27 part is the readable matter. Yes? Okay. So now we have completed exercise self practice 2A. Now in the next class we will start the new exercise self practice 3A. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.